Hi Taurus, welcome to Omkara Tarot, and let's do your energy read till the end of September. Taurus, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin here. Ooh, Ace of Cups. This jumped out for you, Taurus. Let's see why this is here. Let's keep this card aside, such a beautiful card. So let's begin. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Taurus and send us the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Taurus, welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here and your support to the channel. I'm very grateful. And if you're new here, we welcome you to the Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel. We meet here weekly for all zodiac signs. And yes, we welcome you in. So newbies, I'm going to explain this to you. Two sets of cards, one for you, one for your person, and in the center I have your mutual energy. I'll be referring them as person A and person B. You decide which side you resonate best with, okay? And before I start your reading, Taurus, I'm going to take an an angel blessing card to top this reading. So my angels, what do you have for Taurus now? Blessing or an advice for till the end of September? My angels for Taurus. Forgiveness. Who do you have to forgive here, Taurus? Is it yourself or is it somebody else around you? Let's see. Let's put this card also here. So we have forgiveness, love, and Taurus, bottom of my deck I also had the Nine of Swords, which means you're stressing and worrying about something, it seems. Let's see, let's start opening your cards. So person A, person B, okay, you guys decide which side you resonate best with. So the person on side A is in the Nine of Wands energy in reverse. Eight of Wands also in reverse, Ten of Pentacles, Death, Two of Swords, and the Knight of Pentacles. Letting go of something. Let's see, person B. Page of Wands, Page of Cups, Hanged Man, Temperance, Page of Swords, and the Star. What's happening here, Taurus? Things don't look very good here in your commitment. That's why you're worrying, right? And maybe it's time to forgive somebody. I have person A in the Nine of Wands energy in reverse. So it's almost like this person is giving up the fight now. And because maybe there's no communication between the two of you, communication has totally come to a halt. Somebody here is very, very, very angry, very upset, very bitter about the way things are going, and I think communication has also totally come to a halt here. They feel, this committed relationship is kind of coming to a standstill. Yeah, and also being very defensive here. Whoever person A is being very defensive, trying to protect themselves, not having any conversations with person B, is kind of almost letting go of this, feeling, this just can't work out. And that would maybe make them the happiest if they cut off from this person. Maybe it's time, the person is thinking maybe it's time to put a death to this situation altogether and bring in a transformation for my own life. Yeah, this person is seriously thinking of shutting this old chapter with the death energy and kind of starting something brand new here. So, but they're still trying to make a decision. The decision hasn't been made yet they are very angry and they have cut off communication. They are feeling that maybe it's time that maybe I can be happier in my own life and work towards my own happiness. They're still trying to make a decision. They haven't come to a concrete decision yet. Yeah, they're still going back and forth in their mind. Should I not? Still in the Two of Swords energy. Should I not? What should I do? Even though working together maybe has kind of come to a halt here. There is things are really slow here. Things are really slow with the Knight of Pentacles energy. I think deep in their heart they are still waiting that they'll receive some communication. before they make up their mind totally about what has to be done. Yeah, they're feeling like, somebody's really had them here, and they feel as if they have been, somebody's been one up on them, right? They feel beaten down, yeah, by somebody else. So what's this Knight of Pentacles spirit? Knight of Pentacles. This person seems to be waiting. This person seems to be waiting for somebody else, maybe, to bring in some news, bring in some conversation, bring in some stability, maybe an offer. They are trying hard to manifest something positive in their life. But right now they don't know whether the positive is going to be to drop this relationship altogether, or will it be in waiting a little while longer to see if maybe they'll get some communication from the other end. Yeah, they want to make a decision sooner than later, one way or the other. But right now, I don't think they're feeling this commitment coming from person B at all. So now let's see person B. Person B is in the Page of Wands energy and the Page of Cups. They're not sending any message. They're not apologizing. They are not wanting to stay in regret of whatever has happened in the past. I think they want to have wish fulfillment, and they want a new beginning. And I think till now nothing has been said or done, right? Till now no message has been sent, no apologies have been given, but this person has been in hangman situation for a long time. And I think now they're enlightened to the disharmony, the unbalance of this relationship. I think now they're planning to come in fast. They're coming in fast to give some kind of communication, to say, hey, I don't want to live in the past regrets. I want my wish fulfillment, and I want to start something new, right? They have also been keeping an eye on person A, stalking them maybe, seeing where person A is, even though I don't think you guys have been in communication, but they are wanting it. The person B is really wanting the same thing basically. Person A is waiting for communication, and person A wants communication. I think they're going to take some action and coming in really quick. They are not happy either. They feel none of their dreams have come true. Even though person B, I think, has a lot of love in their heart, they are sometimes unable to actually show it. And I think that's been the problem between the two of you. Person A has lost hope, and that, person B doesn't say anything. But person B has had a problem with their throat chakra, I think, not being able to verbalize what they feel. And now with person A and, leaving them or thinking of leaving them has been like a big tower moment in their life. They are like, oh my God, now what? I think it's time I have to speak up, because I may just lose my love now, totally. So Spirit, what's the Star in reverse? Star in reverse. Yeah, this person has been, I think, weighing out all their options. They have been a bit confused maybe for some time, but they are now wanting to leave this, these troubled times behind and move ahead in some calmer place. I mean, they have suddenly realized what they have done wrong, right? Till now, I think they were unable to tell person A what they felt. And because of that, I think they never spoke up. They never apologized. They never said sorry. They never sent a message. But now when they've seen person A slowly, energetically maybe moving away from them, they have felt this loss of love, even energetically. This could be not even talking to each other. They felt their person A's energy leaving them. And this has triggered them big time. Now they are very confused. Because they've been keeping a watch on person A and seeing person A, becoming happier by the day, and kind of, not giving them any more attention. So now they, I think, want to come forward, because they're not happy either. They are fearing that, things are over beyond repair. They are fearing this big time. Yeah, now they want to take some forward movement. They feel everything is over now, nothing can be rectified, and now they are kind of gearing up that, oh my God, I'm going to lose my love, my passion, and I must do something about it. So let's see. What's your mutual energy here? The person A, the mutual energy is the Four of Swords, King of Pentacles in reverse, and the Strength card. So, lot of healing going on, Taurus, separately. I don't see you guys together. I think basically because even though there is so much love here, as this card suggested, you're both, kind of stressing about this big time. Both very, very stressed out. I tell you, people, don't forgive yourselves for whatever's happened, Taurus, and forgive the other person. We may not understand how this happens, but our energy reaches the one we love. And if they are feeling that energetic push that, you're still upset, person A is still upset with person B anyways has a problem with that throat chakra. It's very difficult for them to approach you, even though they are scared now, big time. So what's this Four of Swords, Spirit? What's this Four of Swords? You guys are soulmates, that's for a fact. And I think you're both in your own zones right now. Even though things have kind of slowed down, both wanting a fresh new beginning and thinking of all these old happy memories between the two of you. I mean, whether person A wants to acknowledge it or not, they also, have these thoughts of how good things used to be. Both of you are in this mode of self-reflection and going back into the past and thinking about things. Things have slowed down. Yes, they have slowed down with the Page of Pentacles energy. Nobody is really making a move here. But why is this King of Pentacles in reverse, Spirit? Why is this King of Pentacles? Yeah, right now things are very unstable, Taurus. On one hand, you people are almost shutting this chapter down because thinking it's over, missing this, though on the other hand you both are missing the stability of this connection, both not feeling you can achieve it. So what's the Strength card, Spirit? What's the Strength card? I think whatever has gone down between the two of you, Taurus, in the past, where I think there were some bitter words exchanged or somebody was harsh, rude, mean, this took away all the joy from this relationship, right? It took away all the joy. Now I think both of you are standing in your own strength. Maybe there's a bit of ego and pride here also to say who is going to come forward now. I think you're both kind of waiting on the other, both turned your backs on the other. Person A definitely has turned their back. Person B is now waiting because I think they are the ones who maybe had brought this mischief into this relationship and they really don't know how to come forward and even apologize. So this person is waiting and you both kind of being in your ego and pride here. That is sad. It's time to forgive each other, Taurus. Let's see, Spirit, anything else for Taurus till the end of September? Anything else till the end of September? Somebody has to give here and forgive the other person. And person A, I don't tell you that you have to call them up and say, hey, listen, whatever horrid things you did to me, I forgive you. Maybe just in your dreams, in your thoughts, in your prayers, you can send them some love, okay? Give them some strength. I think they don't have it at all. Yeah, there is nobody making a move here to end this fight right now, at least not till the end of September. Nobody sending in a message to say anything to, bring this fight to a close. And if it continues that way, Taurus, you know what's going to happen. This, it'll be like a connection that will be lost. So, and person B, if you know you've done wrong, I think, and you feel this strong love towards the other person, you can't just sit around and wait. They can't do all the work for you, right? So, yeah, right now I don't see any forward movement, Taurus, at least not till the end of September. And that's all I have for you at the moment. I'm sorry it was not brighter and happier, but let's see. We'll meet again for the Love Bites on Thursday and see if there's any change of heart in this person's headspace, at least, if nothing else. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.